Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been grinding away at affiliate marketing, posting everywhere, trying every traffic method under the sun, but still not seeing results, I totally get it. I've been there. It's frustrating watching others succeed while you feel stuck. That's exactly why I want to share something today that could seriously change the game for you. It's called Traffic Posting Zone. Now imagine having a platform that gives you targeted traffic for free, without relying on paid ads, without fighting algorithms, and without burning out on content creation. That's what Traffic Posting Zone offers. It's designed for affiliate marketers at any level, whether you're just starting out or already deep in the game. You get to create and share up to 30 posts every single month. These posts can showcase your knowledge, promote your affiliate offers, or provide value to your niche, and it's all built to drive traffic directly to your links. Plus, the platform is optimized for search engine optimization, viral sharing, and community growth. So instead of shouting into the void on social media, you're actually building a presence that works for you 24/7. What I love is how simple it is. You sign up, create your profile, share what you know, and start getting seen. It's not just a traffic source, it's a community of marketers helping each other grow. So if you're tired of spinning your wheels and ready for real, sustainable traffic that converts, give Traffic Posting Zone a shot. I've dropped the link below, check it out and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.